Come clap and sway, we'll learn and play. Veggies on our plates, hip hooray! Tomato, tomato. Snap, snap. Red and round, juicy and sweet. Summer sunshine, a tasty treat. Tasty, sweet, benefit, good for skin and heart. Season summer, pick them from the cart. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Tap, tap, orange and crunchy, yummy bite. Crunchy snack for morning light. Taste crunchy, sweet, benefit helps eyes see bright. Season, winter, fall, munch them day and night. Veggies on the table, colors all in view. Spell them, taste them, learn them too. T-O-M-A-T-O-C-A-R-R-O-T. Hooray! Good food makes us strong each day.
S-P-I-N-A-C-H.
Spinach! Sway gently, green and leafy, soft and mild. Makes you strong just like a child. Taste soft and mild, benefit muscles big and strong. Season spring, sing this veggie song. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Brown outside, fluffy inside. Baked or mashed, yum, take a bite. Taste soft and warm, benefit gives us energy to play. Season fall, winter fuel for every day. Little quiz, who can say what's green and leafy makes you strong? Kids, S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach all along, who's round and red and sweet to eat. Kids, C-O-M-A-T-O, yummy summer treat. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Cool snack, green and crisp, cool and light. Perfect snack on a sunny night. Taste crisp and fresh, benefit keeps us cool and clear. Season summer, slice it with cheer. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli, little tree so green and bright. Crunchy power with every bite. Taste crunchy, mild, benefit bones and health. Grow strong, season year round. Sing this veggie song. Veggies on the table, colors all in view. Spell them, taste them, learn them too. P-O-T-A-T-O-C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, hooray! Veggies help us grow each day. P-E-A-S, piss. Hop, hop. Tiny balls of green delight. Pop them in, a tasty bite. Taste sweet and small, benefit protein for tiny might. Season spring peas, make snack time right. Spell them once and spell again. Veggies keep us strong